Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Susan, the plans they made put an end to you. I woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. Just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand, and I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. I got a peaceful, easy feeling, and I know you won't let me down. Well, after a day of painting and being inside and doing all that, having a good day, it's good to get out and do some bush hogging. And I did that and kind of reinforced my path that we'd previously cut, made some new one. Didn't do a lot, but thought I'd take a ride in my pickup truck and show you. Here's it out down here in the southwest corner. Whoops, I can see our neighbors now. No, anyway, yeah. There and done. I thought I'd show you where we are on the property. On my way back in. No, that. Alright, so here we go. Yeah, this is where it starts. So I got it pretty good. It's pretty solid here. There were some wet spots. It's pretty dry now, but I'll tell you, when I was back here with the tractor on the far side of the barn, man, I had to rock it a little bit to get it out in a stuck position. Now, I was dragging my bush hog and everything, but still surprised me a little and concerns me a little. I'm just concerned it's so wet back there, but yeah, look at this now. I can drive right up to that barn, you know? That's about all I can do to it right now, but I can do that, and that's pretty cool. And let me show you what else I'm talking about. I'm back on out of here. And if I run into something, at least it won't be much. But I'm kind of following the path that I cut, so I don't run into anything. And I'm not even in four-wheel drive right now. I'm just in two-wheel. And I just cut this path today here. It's a sharp turn. I didn't realize it was such a sharp turn. Okay, got to back up a little bit. There we go. All right. Yeah. I decided I wanted to, get back in a little closer to the barn instead of having to go around the block so much. So I did that. Yeah, it's pretty close and pretty wet. As a matter of fact, I'm going to turn this off and concentrate on what I'm doing because I feel it pulling my tires a little bit. All right. Okay, so it's all good. And yeah, so this is where I was talking about, the back side of the barn here. And yeah, you can see where my tires dug in quite a bit there. There's the barn. It's kind of hard to see with us, and I don't want to get too far down in there in my truck here. So, but there's the barn. I got to get in here and I got to work all this. It's going to be quite a to do, but I'm not sure if I showed you the pond back there. We passed the pond, but I'm going to have to stop shooting video. Sorry, I forgot to show you the pond on my way back out. It's just kind of fun riding around my paths that I cut here. But I'm not really ready for the truck yet. I got to work on it.